Got the
What's up, cousins? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time visiting my channel, go ahead and subscribe. So today's video is going to be yet another episode, installment, addition to the wash and go combo series. I am primarily a wash and go girl, and even if you find things that work for you, I don't know, it may just be me. I enjoy trying new things, trying new combos, finding different things that make my hair pop for, you know, different looks that I'm going for. So that's what I do. I try a different combination of different things and see what can give me the best, most popping wash and go. Recently, I absolutely fell in love with the Hawaiian Silky Gel Activator. I use this product by itself, and I think I used Shea Moisture Low Porosity Detangler as my leave-in, and a lot of people in the comments were saying that y'all been like this product, y'all swear by this product, it's your holy grail product, you pair it with other things, and I'm just like, why didn't nobody tell me? Okay, the glycerin in this really didn't give me an issue, but I do know that if you live in humid areas, it probably would be an issue. It probably would make your hair really puffy, and if you use too much, I do believe this can make your hair sticky. So a couple of people in the comment section suggested or said that they pair this with Wetline Xtreme. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and say I still don't like this product anymore. I don't know. I just watched the video, but I also said in that video that it was probably not going to be the last time you guys saw me use it, only because I still have like 2 jars that are about half full each that I need to get rid of this product. So I was open to pairing it with other things, and maybe it just wouldn't give me that super crunchy brittle feel. Like this product just has so much hold. That's why I don't like it. It just has so much hold, and then this product has a lot of hold, but it also makes your hair feel extremely soft, maybe even a little too soft. So I definitely understand the concept of pairing these two things together. I don't have a leave-in in my hair. Since this is so moisturizing, I'm just going to use this as my base, and then I'm going to top it with Wetline Xtreme, and we're going to hope for a good wash and go combo. Like I said, I'm open-minded. And it's still very promising. So basically what I did was, since the Hawaiian Silky I know for a fact makes my hair super soft, I did concentrate my hair more with more of the Hawaiian Silky than the Wetline Xtreme. I pretty much used the Hawaiian Silky somewhat as like a moisturizer and really worked that product into my curls and made sure that my curls were smooth, defined, detangled, moisturized, like all that with my hands, of course, before going in with the Wetline Xtreme. And then I literally just put a super thin layer of the Wetline Xtreme on top to kind of just add an extra layer of like protection, a barrier, just to drive that point home. If you guys remember what my Wetline Xtreme container looked like at the beginning of this video, this is what it looks like now, and it pretty much looks almost the exact same, which is why I said you'll see this a few more times, because contrary to popular belief, I don't use a lot of gel when I do use it, so it is going to take me a while to work through this jar. As usual, I'm going to let this air dry for a couple of hours, just kind of let it sit while I go on about the rest of my day, and then I will blow it completely dry before I go to bed, and I will come and show you guys the final results. Alright guys, so this is my hair about 98% dry. I did go ahead and blow dry it on a combination of low and high speeds to just go ahead and get it completely dry. Forgive me if I'm over this outro because I done tried to record it 3 times, okay? Second time I recorded the whole thing and I never hit the recording button. So basically I like the wash and go, okay? It looks good. It ain't no crunch, which I really appreciate, because you guys know my main issue with the Wetline Xtreme is that, I mean, it does what it says it's gonna do. It's an extreme hold, but combined with the Hawaiian Silky, it gave me the definition that you can expect from a Wetline Xtreme, coupled with the softness that you can expect from a Hawaiian Silky. And basically I just feel like it feels like a Hawaiian Silky wash and go. It just has a little extra Wetline Xtreme on top. But I definitely understand the concept of people who are pairing it with the Wetline Xtreme, especially if you live in humid areas. I definitely will be pairing the two together again, just because I need to get rid of the rest of my Wetline Xtreme, and I know that they pair well together. But is it something that I feel like they have to be paired together? Hawaiian Silky, no. Wetline Xtreme, yes, because this is the very first time I've used it and it didn't leave my hair crunchy, no gel cast, not hard at all. So if you are looking for something to pair specifically with your Wetline Xtreme, I definitely would suggest picking up the Hawaiian Silky, because it does give you like a best of both worlds. You guys know I am steering away from fluffing my hair on day one, so this is completely unfluffed, blow-dried hair, shrinkage in all its glory, no banding method, no pineapple yet, just straight air-dried shrinkage. I still feel how I feel about Wetline Xtreme. However, I do think that in this situation, I found a way to work with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and if this was your first time kicking it with the cousins, make sure that you become a cousin yourself by subscribing to my channel and turning your notifications on so you don't miss a video. And I will see all you guys in the next upload.